What are you girls doing? Aria and Cali? What you doing?
I'm making my basket.
You're planting? Okay, where are you going? Be careful. Oh, you're going to do broccoli. That's not broccoli. Those are greens. No, it's not broccoli. Those are greens, and you can eat those, but I don't want you to because they're dirty. But those can be eaten. Oh, you're mixing it. Okay, as you're not making a cake, you're planting. You don't need to be mixing like that. Are you making a cake or are you planting, Kelly? That's not broccoli. Those are greens. No, it's not broccoli, baby. Those are mustard greens, and you can eat those. But Grandma has to wash them first. You can't eat them like that. They're dirty. They have bugs in them. Flies land on them. Spiders land on them. Let's see. Are you making a salad?
I'm making a cake.
Oh, you're making a cake with the greens? Oh, boy. That's not broccoli. Broccoli doesn't look like that.
It's broccoli.
No, baby, they're greens. Mustard greens.
Oh, I'm making a cake. Grandma, I'm making a cake.
Oh, you're making a cake? Oh, okay. You're making a cake with mustard greens? Okay, if you insist it's broccoli, then it'll be broccoli. Grandma won't change your mind. So you're making a broccoli salad, Aria?
Done. I'll mix that.
You're mixing it. Okay.
Let's mix. Get broccoli.
Okay, broccoli. Broccoli that's really mustard greens. Okay. Do you even know what broccoli looks like, baby? When we get in the house, I'll show you. It's not the same.
I'll make it the cake.
Oh, you're making a cake. Okay. A dirt cake?
What's that beat? Is it? Broccoli.
Oh, more broccoli. Okay. You're getting the broccoli that's really mustard greens, but okay. If you insist.
I make a cake, Grandma.
Oh, okay, baby. For your birthday?
I'll get more greens.
Yeah. See, Kelly got the right idea. Greens.
It's mix up. Mix.
What, baby?
Mix.
Missy's making a mess?
I'm mixing.
Oh, you're mixing.
Yeah.
These right here, those are lavender. And they smell good. I think it's lavender. Smells good, whatever it is.
Broccoli.
Okay, Aria's getting more broccoli. What are you going to put inside your cake, Kelly? Dirt? A dirt cake?
Yeah.
Sing happy birthday to Grandma.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is the cake. Oh, more. Broccoli.
Your guys' birthday is next month.
More broccoli.
How old are you guys going to be?
Two.
How old are you going to be, Kelly?
3.
3. That's right.
I'm a cake.
Aria, how old are you going to be? You're going to be 3 because you guys are twins. You were born on the same time. Except for Kelly was a couple minutes earlier. That's why she's the big sissy. Kelly's the boss. Are you the boss, Kelly? You're the boss of Sissy? Oh, chocolate. Okay.
That.
The dirt is chocolate. Okay.